Infiniti just found its soul again. This is the all-new 2027 QX65. It's a bold return to the fastback silhouette that made the original FX an icon. But this time, it's infused with a new era of Japanese luxury. Arriving in showrooms this spring, it's the crossover coupe the market has been waiting for. Look at the stance. This is artistry in motion. The dramatic arching roofline flows into a powerful rear, highlighted by jet-inspired LED taillights that suggest speed even at a standstill. And look closer at this paint, Sunfire Red. It features genuine gold-coated glass flecks that catch the light like a sunset at dusk. It doesn't just cut through the wind, it commands the road. Under the hood sits the innovative 2.0-liter variable compression turbo engine. It delivers 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque, paired with a uniquely tuned 9-speed automatic for decisive, sporty gear changes. Standard intelligent all-wheel drive ensures you're planted in any weather, while a class-leading 6,000-pound towing capacity means you never have to leave the adventure behind. Step inside, and the third row is gone, replaced by pure opulence. The autograph trim features semi-aniline leather with kimono-inspired quilting and open-pore wood accents. It's a 2-row sanctuary that prioritizes passenger space, offering best-in-class front-row legroom and a massive 67.7 cubic feet of total cargo room. This is luxury designed around the human experience. Tech is at the center of the experience. Dual 12.3-inch displays with Google built-in are standard, but the real star is the 20-speaker Klipsch reference Premiere system. With individual audio headrest speakers, your music and calls are specifically targeted to you. It's personal, immersive, and thanks to active noise cancellation, incredibly quiet. Starting at $53,999, the 2027 QX65 is a daring alternative to the traditional luxury SUV. It's for those who value style as much as substance. Is this the comeback Infiniti needed? Let me know in the comments. I'm heading back to the driver's seat.